Welcome back to the weekly update. Let's just jump straight into it with the progress on the script, which is currently at Oh, I'm sorry. Did you think because of vacation and work and everything else going on that I was gonna show up and confidently tell you I did nothing this week? You see, that's not how things get done around here. No. While everybody else was out playing, while I was making 3 extra videos, I managed to get the highest percentage since starting writing at an extra 7.5%. 12 extra pages. That's right. 2 weeks ago, I did 3 pages. Last week, 0. This week, 12. We don't slow down. How's that for an update, huh? 2 plot points away from the midpoint. Everything should be easy street from there until revisions. Normally, I don't talk about this very much on here, but this past Wednesday was my card shop, Heroes Hideout, 3rd anniversary, and I'm very proud of it, and I'm very proud of all of the people that put it together and keep it running every single day, even when I'm not there. And if you've ever been there or have supported it at all for any reason in the past, I just want to say thank you. Now that all the videos are done and uploaded, I can tell you that you can relive my past vacation with Sybil in Los Angeles by watching the videos that are uploaded now. You can see the little card. I think it's over here. Yeah, over here. The card in the corner. Click that. There's 3 different videos for all 4 days, and there's a bunch of cool footage and us talking about it in the moment. And I like travel vlogs sometimes, so I thought it'd be kind of fun, and Sybil really liked doing it. So you should go watch. And to quickly plug the Patreon, there's a full uncut version on the Patreon that will only ever be on the Patreon, and it's $1 a month, and it severely and critically supports my ability to make this movie that I'm going to be spending so much time and effort on. So please, thank you so much for supporting. No new patrons this week. We'll get one, maybe. I'll find out. We'll figure it out. Lastly, for Michael's Art Corner, let's just keep it to one thing this week and see how that does. So Sybil and I went to go see the new How to Train Your Dragon movie, which was written and directed by the same guy that wrote and directed the original back in 2010, and it really shows, and it's a really great time. So you can go watch it, and then we should be uploading a podcast episode review on Full-Time Movie Fans about this one in the next coming weeks. So you can go over there and follow that for that. And a quick little note for everybody else, the reason why this one feels a lot faster and a lot more streamlined is because I scripted it this time. So we're gonna try that out and see how that works, because I've been watching a lot of videos of just, general like how people have been making it and been making videos. So, yep, scripted. That's why it's shorter, that's why it's leaner, and that's why it feels a lot better this time around. Hopefully, if not, tell me if you just want me to ramble better in the future, because I enjoy that just as much. Okay, that's all for now. I'm gonna go back to making shorts about the vacation and waiting for my email saying that I can sign up for Dragon Steel Nexus. Bye.